Jamaicans are being warned their water supply may become more inconsistent as water catchment areas continue to heal from Hurricane Melissa's damage. The Prime Minister gave the signal at the launch of the Relief Initiative in Trelawney on Wednesday. Dwayne Anderson reports.
Some Jamaicans are already juggling water restrictions as the National Water Commission (NWC) moves to conserve the little commodity available. But on Wednesday, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness warned things may not get better just yet. The Prime Minister reminded Jamaicans some of the country's key water catchment areas have been disturbed by Hurricane Melissa, and with only months since the hurricane, nature has not yet restored itself.
That what is likely to happen is that after the hurricane destroyed the forest, that we may have a challenge with water following the hurricane in the months after. Catchments are disturbed, land slippage. It might affect the microclimate that the forests would create that would bring the water.
But all hope is not lost, at least for the medium to long term. Stakeholders are giving nature some help. A mega tree planting initiative is being undertaken. Relief, as the program is termed, seeks to restore forests and other lands in the country with thousands of trees. The project is ambitious. Stakeholders want to plant 300,000 trees by June. 10% will be fruit trees.
Where there is a uniculture, the damage seems to have been far worse than where there is a diversity of tree stock. And so they are going to seek to introduce diversity in some of the areas that were formerly uniculture.
Volunteer groups are being encouraged to get on board.
This is not a program of the government of Jamaica solely. This is an effort of the state of Jamaica. And the state of Jamaica involves the opposition, the private sector, the unions, business, everyone.
The program is being spearheaded by the Forestry Department of Jamaica. The department did close to 250 site visits after Melissa and has identified the worst affected areas and those most in need of new trees. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.